KvCORE is a client relationship management system, but that's just one small part of it. Let's jump into it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. What you're looking at here is my Smart CRM for this training group number 2. This is a group of new vision agents that I'm doing a 4-week training course for to get them up and running with the system. I'm using the platform to communicate with them and show them how the system works. The CRM is one small part of the system. What's much more powerful about it is all the different ways. There's literally hundreds of ways that you can generate leads with this system, and not only generate the leads, but also track and monitor how the leads are being followed up on and the overall performance of the leads. Within KvCORE, there's this lead engine. Within lead engine, here's where a lot of the tools are to help you generate leads. You can create landing pages, IDX squeeze pages. There is calling and text capture, pitch sheets. If you're trying to win a listing, the pitch sheet is a very powerful tool where you can walk in and say, hey, this is our potential when we come and list your house. The open house app, there's a whole separate app just for open houses. So as clients come into your open house, you have them sign up through the open house app. It's automatically logged into your CRM. There is a smart campaign that's automatically assigned. And as you're picking up your signs after a long day of doing open houses, the system's already communicating with those leads that walked in. It does that through the Smart Campaigns platform. These Smart Campaigns, they're all in this KvCORE library, and there's different triggers that turn them on. There's text and email, there's phone calls, there's tasks that are assigned. And some of these touches, they can last up to 72 months on a campaign. A very powerful program. If you don't like what you see in the Smart Campaigns, you can custom edit them yourselves. You can even make your own custom templates. There's also this marketplace. So if you want to generate leads on your own, you can do that. But through the marketplace, you can also pay to have leads generated for you through multiple different platforms. If you're using Zillow or some of these third-party platforms to generate leads, those come right into your KvCORE. And when they come in, you can have specific smart campaigns assigned to them so they automatically start getting communication from you. Within KvCORE, I have mine set up so that every day I have 5 tasks assigned. So it's at the end of the day today, and tomorrow I got 4 tasks to do when I sit down at my desk. So it's a very powerful platform. It's great for managing your database. It's great for generating new leads, and it's great for accountability as well. So I hope this is helpful. If you need help with your team getting up and going on KvCORE, get a hold of me. I'm in the process of designing a 12-week course to take agents from being able to log in to uploading their database all the way into lead generation. I hope this is helpful. Give me a call if you need help. Thanks.